11th standard physics unit 1 nature of physical world and measurement la ipo நம்ம பார்க்க போற topic parallax method. Very large distances such as the distance of a star or planet from the earth can be measured by this method. So the distance of a star or the distance of a planet can be measured by this method, parallax method. இப்போ parallax method அப்படினா என்னன்னு பாப்போம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி parallax அப்படினா என்னன்னு பாப்போம். Parallax is the apparent change in the position of the object with respect to the background when the object is seen from two different positions. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டை ரெண்டு different positionல இருந்து பாக்கும்போது அந்த position of the object is changing. That is, it seems to be changing. Actually it is not changing, but it seems to be changing. This apparent change is called parallax. For example, ஒரு பென்சில் எடுத்துக்கங்க. இந்த பென்சிலை நம்ம ஃபேஸ்க்கு நேரா பிடிச்சுக்கங்க. இப்போ இந்த பென்சிலுக்கு பின்னாடி ஏதாவது ஒரு பேக்ரவுண்ட் இருக்க மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கங்க. இப்போ லெஃப்ட் ஐயை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு ரைட் ஐயால் இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டை பாருங்கள். அப்புறம் ரைட் ஐயை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு லெஃப்ட் ஐயால் இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டை பார்க்கும்போது இந்த பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் த ஆப்ஜெக்ட், தட் இஸ் த பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் த பென்சில் seems to be changing. This change is called apparent change. This apparent change is the parallax. The distance between the two points of observation is called basis. The distance between the 2 points of observation is called basis. இங்க வந்து 2 points of observation ங்கிறது என்னன்னா left eye and right eye. left eye க்கும் right eye க்கும் உள்ள distance வந்து basis. In this diagram, O is any object. So O is the object and L and R represents the position of left eye and right eye. The object is viewed with the left eye by keeping the right eye closed, and the same object is viewed with the right eye by keeping the left eye closed. அதாவது right eye close பண்ணிட்டு left eye ஆல object பார்க்குறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் left eye close பண்ணிட்டு right eye ஆல அந்த object பார்க்குறோம். அதுதான் இங்கே சொல்லியிருக்கோம். LO and RO are the two lines drawn from L and R to the object O. L ல இருந்தும் R ல இருந்தும் நம்ம ரெண்டு lines draw பண்றோம். So from L and R we are drawing two lines. These two lines makes an angle theta at O. The angle theta is called angle of parallax. The angle theta is called the angle of parallax. OL and OR are considered as the radii of the circle. For astronomical calculations, the distance LR is equal to B can be treated as an arc of the circle. That is, if you consider OL and OR as the radius of a circle, then LR is the arc of the circle. So OL is equal to OR is equal to X. This is the radius of the circle, and LR is equal to B. This is the arc of the circle. So we know the formula angle is equal to arc by radius. Angle is theta. Let the arc is B and the radius is X. So theta is equal to arc by radius, arc is B and radius is X. So theta is equal to B by X. Knowing B and theta, X can be calculated. Suppose if we know the value of B and if we know the value of theta, then X can be calculated. What is X? X is the radius. And what is B? B is the distance between the 2 points of observation. So if we know the distance between the 2 points of observation, then if we know the value of theta, we can find the value of X. What is X? X is the distance of the object. Now let us see how we are going to determine the distance of moon from the earth. In this figure, C is the center of the earth. A and B are two diametrically opposite places on the surface of the earth. So C is the center of the earth and A and B are the two diametrically opposite places on the surface of the earth. And M is the position of the moon. M is the position of the moon. Now theta 1 is the parallax angle of moon from A. From the point A, we are finding the angle of parallax. By using the astronomical telescope, we can find the angle of parallax theta 1. from A, and theta 2 is the angle of parallax from B. So this is theta 1, it is a parallax angle from A, and theta 2 is the angle of parallax from B. These two angles are measured by using the astronomical telescope. So the total angle of parallax of moon subtended on the earth is theta is equal to theta 1 plus theta 2. If theta is measured in radians, then theta is equal to AB by AM. So you can see from this triangle, theta is equal to AB by AM. That is, angle is equal to arc by radius. So the arc is AB and the radius is AM. Since AM is approximately equal to MC, AM is approximately equal to MC, theta is equal to AB by MC. What is AB? AB is the diametrically opposite places on the surface of the earth. MC is the distance of the moon. Theta is the angle. Theta is the angle of parallax which can be measured by using the astronomical telescope. So from this we can write MC, which is the distance of the moon. MC is the distance of the moon. MC is equal to AB by theta. AB is the distance between the two positions on the surface of the earth. So AB is known. Theta is the angle of parallax. This can be determined by using the astronomical telescope. These two values are known. Therefore, the distance of the moon from the earth can be determined.